More news at this point in time. Assam BJP MLA calls Congress a party of Mias amid hate speech heat on Assam Chief Minister Himanta. BJP MLA says Congress in Assam is a Mia party. Himanta faces heat over Mia remarks. Supreme Court to hear this plea today. Opposition netas move Supreme Court against the Assam Chief Minister.
अभी कांग्रेस लास्ट चुनाव आप देख लीजिए 15-20 जितना चुनाव हुआ था असम में हर चुनाव में वो लोग हार चुका था। अभी गौरव गोगोई प्रेसिडेंट है और उनका डायरेक्ट लिंक उनका बीबी का डायरेक्ट लिंक पाकिस्तान से है और आज का दिन में कांग्रेस पूरा मियाँ लोगों का दल है। आप कुछ दिन रुकिए, रकीबुल हुसैन ये पूरा कंट्रोल में लेगा वो, और असम में जो कांग्रेस होगा वो मियाँ का दल होगा और असम में जो लोग स्वाभिमानी लोग होगा जिसका स्वाभिमान रहेगा वो लोग इमीडिएट कांग्रेस छोड़ के दूसरा कोई डिसीजन लेगा, ये मेरा विश्वास है।
All right, so you heard there from the Bharatiya Janata Party. These are the kind of comments that have been made. Now, this is a state that is headed to elections and already in trouble for, in fact, certain statements that have been made. The Assam BJP MLA has made a statement again, talking about Raqibul Hussain, also a Congress leader, talking about the fact that very soon the party, the Congress party, is in fact going to be a party of Mias, a statement which is being looked at as the one that polarizes. Rijoy Das is now joining us for the very latest on that. A state that is headed to elections and the kind of statements that have been coming in, the potential to polarize right in the middle is what it looks like. Certainly, it's going to be frowned down upon, isn't it?
Yes, we have seen an exodus of Congress workers and Congress sitting MLAs showing interest towards BJP. Recently, we know that Bhupen Bora, the ex-APCC president, has resigned, and there are indications that he might join the BJP very shortly. And if we look at the past, then sitting Congress MLAs have been showing their support for BJP in the last year. For example, we can take Kamalakh Dev Prukaisto, who is the sitting MLA of North Karimganj, who is a Congress MLA but has been suspended from Congress, has now been seen in BJP topi and BJP shawl. So there are many indications from Congress MLAs who are showing this kind of support towards the BJP, and the latest have been Bhupen Bora, who have just resigned from Congress, and sources say that he might join BJP very shortly. But from the Congress, the reactions that are coming in, they are saying that this is this kind of things happen before elections. The workers or the MLAs who are not happy with the party leadership, they tend to switch sides. So these are the kind of reactions which are coming in from Congress. But this is very interesting given the Assam 2026 assembly elections. An exodus of MLAs and workers are being seen
Apart from that,
Congress.
statements that are being made by the BJP leaders here, and MLA in particular talks about Congress being a party of the Mias. I'm going to thank you for the moment getting in those details at this point in time.
अभी कांग्रेस लास्ट चुनाव आप देख लीजिए 15-20 जितना चुनाव हुआ था असम में हर चुनाव में वो लोग हार चुका था। अभी गौरव गोगोई प्रेसिडेंट है और उनका डायरेक्ट लिंक उनका बीबी का डायरेक्ट लिंक पाकिस्तान से है और आज का दिन में कांग्रेस पूरा मियाँ लोगों का दल है। आप कुछ दिन रुकिए, रकीबुल हुसैन ये पूरा कंट्रोल में लेगा वो, और असम में जो कांग्रेस होगा वो मियाँ का दल होगा और असम में जो लोग स्वाभिमानी लोग होगा जिसका स्वाभिमान रहेगा वो लोग इमीडिएट कांग्रेस छोड़ के दूसरा कोई डिसीजन लेगा, ये मेरा विश्वास है।
Miya ka dal is what is the phrase that has been used by the BJP MLA here against the Congress party.